There's all these cables. How do you know which ones to hook up next?
Hi, I'm Paul, this is Diane, and we are the PC Zombies, and last time on this high-end build, we hooked up the power cables from the power supply to the motherboard.
How do you know which ones to hook up next?
Well, in general, the best rule of thumb is you hook up all your case cables first and then your power cables, especially if you're just using the stock cables that came with your power supply and your computer case. But this is a high-end build and we're going to try to make it look good. Because of that, we knew we were going to replace the power cables with custom cable mod cables, which meant we needed to know the length of each cable. So in our last video, we hooked up all of those cables and we measured them so we can make that cable mod order. Now we're waiting for those to arrive. While we're waiting for those to arrive, we're going to work on Hello World. And in Hello World, we're going to have to hook up these case cables. We can hook them up on top of those old stock power cables. And then later on, when the cable mod cables come, the custom ones, we'll pull out the power cables that we already hooked up, put in the new pretty ones, and that lays them on top.
Well, what if there's a need to get into those power cables?
Hopefully there won't be, but there will be a little bit. I mean, when those new cables arrive, we've got to unhook the old power cables and hook up the new ones.
Oh, okay.
So we will have some of that, but at this point, we're going to just do the data cables. And as far as the data cables go, there is no real order. You could do them any order you want. They're so small and easy to manipulate. It's easy to tuck it back behind something or to overlap it or unravel it. So what we're going to do now is when we start showing how to hook up the cables, we're going to start with some easy ones, and then we're going to do some really tough ones, but the order other than that really doesn't matter. Stick around, we're getting real close to Hello World on this. Please subscribe.
We like those likes.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.